Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do a video about a morning drink. Or you can take it any time of the day, but preferably morning. And it's really great anti-inflammatory drink. Now what this drink has is you can add little bit of beet, like half small beet, half of it, and then a few stalk of celery and a pinch of turmeric, little bit like a cube size of ginger, and half a lemon juice squeeze. Now you can blend it up and then drink it. Now what this will do, the beets are high in vitamin C, so it boosts our immune system. And celery, I have seen as a fact, celery is really a good anti-inflammatory food. If you have any kind of inflammation issue, gout issue, any kind of pain, celery really does that. And I have noticed one thing with the inflammatory diseases, mood also changes. The people have high inflammation in the body, they tend to be more depressed. And if you see that they were given few stalks of celery, they get like very happy, instant happiness, because the inflammation goes down. So the drink I'm making is with beet, celery, pinch of turmeric, ginger, and little bit of lemon juice. Now beetroot cleans our blood. It makes a good oxygenated blood. So beetroot is very good for promoting good red blood cell growth, as it has a lot of iron, so it's good for the anemic. It improves our digestion because as with all the fruits and vegetables, it is also loaded with lot of fiber, just like celery also loaded with lots of fiber. Beetroot and celery, they both lowers blood pressure, lowers the bad cholesterol, and lowers blood sugar. So beetroot juice gets converted in the body to sugar and nitric oxide, and it is good as a vasodilator, meaning it expands our blood vessel, that it reduces our blood pressure. Beetroot juice is good for the heart. Anything expands our blood vessels. Vasodilator is good for the heart. Anything lowers cholesterol, blood pressure, good for the heart. And so it prevents the heart attack and stroke. So taking beetroot juice daily will produce a good mood, beetroot and celery, because it will keep the inflammation down in the body, and will reduce blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Beetroot is full of antioxidant, and they fight free radicals in the body. Same thing with celery. Beetroot is full of fiber that keeps the body and the digestive system good by flushing out the toxins from the body. So that's how it keeps our stomach gut clean and keeps us regular and keeps us healthy, because when your gut is clean, you're healthy. If you are not regular, that's going to rot inside and make sick. So that's why you see the yogis, they take mostly fruits and vegetables. Why? Because fruits and vegetables goes quickly, comes out quickly, and it's kind of like mopping the inside, and that's the way it's supposed to be. But on the other hand, the meats, they go in, takes 3 days to digest and 6 days to get it out. So then it rots inside, and anything rotting, you'll see bugs come. So that's why the parasite and bacteria and viruses and bugs will come to eat that rotting thing, and that's how the body gets disease. So and it's very simple. Now, beetroots are great for making blood because it's full of iron. It's an essential component in making red blood cells. People who have low iron levels in the body is likely to develop a condition called anemia. Now, beetroot juice is very good for them. Beetroot juice contains anti-inflammatory components called beta-lins. Beta-lins is very good, and beta-lins inhibits the signaling pathways, like the body finds out how it's getting pain. So beta-lin inhibits the pain signaling pathway, so we won't feel the pain of all the inflammation in the body. Beetroots are great for beautiful glowing skin because of their high antioxidant and high amount of vitamin C. Beetroot juice is great for cleansing our body, our blood, and sort of like a liver tonic, cleans our liver. It has the betaline, B vitamins, iron, calcium, and many antioxidants. Beetroots are low in calorie and high in water, as like all other fruits and vegetables, and it has lots of minerals and antioxidants and fibers, and they're great for good health and gradual weight loss, a steady weight loss, and keeping the body into the right weight. Beetroot juice is used all the time in detox diets because it keeps your weight down, also cleans your body. Beetroot increases energy and stamina during any kind of running, jogging contest or mountain climbing. Beetroot increases the energy and stamina and keeps the body cell strong and healthy. Beetroot is great for our libido, giving a boost to our libido in that department, because it contains significant amount of boron, which gives a boost into the production of sex hormones. Beetroot beet greens are really very useful, so never throw away the greens. You can wash, clean, and saute them and eat them. They are excellent for preserving your eye health and protecting your eye and giving you a better eye even when you age, and it's very good for preventing cataracts. So in summary, we'll say beetroots is great for our immune system, is boost our memory, so great for the people who might develop Alzheimer or has it in the family, boost our hair growth. Many people put beet juice in the hair with the henna, so they will put henna and soak the henna overnight with tea and coffee. They'll make tea and coffee together, and then to that they will put the henna and soak it overnight, and morning they will add some freshly grated, blended, whatever beet juice. They will take out the beet juice and add it to the henna, and then put it in the hair. That gets rid of dandruff, gets rid of hair fall, it gives a boost to the hair growth, and it makes your hair really healthy. Now, beet juice is very good for the skin, so drinking beet juice will give you a beautiful glowing skin, and it delays the aging and protects the heart and keeps the risk of heart attack and stroke at the bay, and it detoxes the body, and it's good for the liver. It's a liver tonic, good for the eyes, boost libido, and it's a cancer fighting fruit vegetable, boost our immune system, good for our brain, good for our digestive system, reduce inflammation, good for our eye, makes a person a better athlete, and lowers blood pressure and prevents high cholesterol or high sugar. So even though beet has sugar, but it does not, any fruits and vegetables sugar, they really do not affect our blood sugar the way regular useless white sugar poison does. So fruits and vegetable sugars are okay, and they're meant for us to eat. So this was a video about this good drink, but for taking beet you also have to be careful. Make sure the person does not have kidney stone, they might have problem with that, so find out that before you give too much beet. Raw beet, taking raw beet creates a problem with the kidney, so be sure about that. So ask your doctor if you can eat good healthy fruits and vegetables before you do that. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.